Hey everyone, it's Mona here at Klatch, and today we're going to do some fun chick charms, and they're going to be perfect for Easter. For these pendants, I have these bezels, which are not flat in the back, and I found them on clearance some time ago. And I think that the best way to keep this straight for me to pour the resin, I'm going to put it into just a bottle cap. And then I have these super cute little chick buttons, and if I'm not mistaken, I used them in a project years ago, and I had these left over. We got a ballerina, and one just has a pretty little bow in her hair and her plume, and I'm going to make pendants out of these, and these are going to be pretty quick and easy. Because I want a pastel background, I'm just going to use the fast curing resin that cures white, but I'll just add some pigment powder to it. Because this cures so quickly, I need to move kind of quickly on this. And I'm going to separate it into two containers here. I can feel it warming up already. And I'm going to add purple to one, and this is definitely more than I need in terms of the amount of resin that I've made. Alright, now I'm going to try to get these pretty level if possible. And I'm going to drip the pink into this one. Maybe I'll pour it. There's no time to drip. I'll do the same with this and the purple. Okay, I'm going to drop this one in here. Try to get it positioned properly as best I can. And this one is already starting to set up, so I'm just going to squish her right in and hold her down. Then we're going to just let these cure. And just like that, 15 minutes later, you have these adorable little Easter charms. Seriously, super easy. All you need to do is put a jump ring on here, and then you can wear it as a pendant. You could use it as a keychain. You can do whatever you want with it. So be sure to tell me which one you like best, whether you like the crazy hair chick or the ballerina chick. Both are super cute. I hope you guys like the chick charms. They are super easy, super fun, and super quick. So be sure to let me know what you think of them down in the comments below. Remember, if you're ever looking for directions or a materials list, you can find them on my website, which is Klatch.com. You can also find me on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. Remember to follow, like, and subscribe. I will definitely see you next time. Remember, life is too short not to shimmer, so grab your glue gun and your glitter. Stay safe. Bye, guys.